Alright, so we're going to be doing question 1880, check if word equals summation of two words. So basically we're going to get two words and a target word, and it's going to be a bunch of letters, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be assigning a number value to each of these letters. So A would be 0, B would be 1, C would be 2, and basically we're forming a number string with them. So basically each digit is what we would call it. So like if this was ACB would be 021 or 21, and CBA would be 210 or 210, and then we'd basically take these two and add them together to equal this one. And if the target value does not equal the sum of these two, then we return false. So yeah, so keep in mind, like, it's not the values added together, so it wouldn't be like 0, 1, and 2, it would be digits. So that's another thing we have to keep track of. Alright, so we're gonna get started. We're gonna start with these. So basically I'm going to start off with the strings that we're going to basically be transitioning these to the numbers. So one word sum, two word sum, that's just what I call it, and then target sum. Alright, so these are just what we're going to be saving all the values to at the end. And then we're going to go for char in first word, and then we're going to go one word sum equals a string. And so like the way I'm going to do it is we're going to actually take like the char value of it, so we're going to use ord of character, but since the character like A would equal like 97, but we want it to equal 0, what we're just going to do is we're going to take that and we're going to go minus 97. So we're going to be able to do that for all of the ones involved. Alright, and so basically we're going to just do the exact same thing for the next one, but we're going to do it for two word sum here, and we're also going to do it for second word. Alright, so yeah, it should be exactly the same thing because we're just adding them together. So basically now that we get there, once we get through, one word sum should equal 021, and like two word sum should equal 210, just like what we have it. So now, but we want the sum of both, so we're going to say the sum equals int one word sum plus int two word sum. So yeah, because both of these are in a string, so we want to convert them back into a number like they do here, and then we want to add them together. Okay, so now we have the sum, but we still need to find out what it is for the target word. So we're basically going to take the same loop, but instead of this, we're going to do target word. I guess I have something weird here. And then instead of that, we're going to do target sum. And then so that'll give us like the same value. It'll basically turn this from CDB into 231. And then all we have to do at the end is we just have to return if the sum equals int target sum, because this will still be in a string right here, so we have to turn it to an int and then compare if this sum equals the target word here. So, oh, sorry. Plus equal. My apologies. Alright. Alright, as you see, beats 100%, and this just goes all over the place. I've got an 80, whatever. But yeah, if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe.